When I tell you it's laid down, like this is my scalp. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, welcome. My name is Tierra, but you can go ahead and call your girl T. Here on my channel, you will find here makeup tutorials, DIY projects, baby vlogs, and meal prepping ideas. If you like all these things and more, please take the time to subscribe to my channel and go ahead and hit that bell notification down below. Go ahead, I'm waiting. Y'all, I'm so excited for this video. So if you can't tell, sis done upgraded a little bit. Is there something different? Do you notice? Are my edges laid and slayed? Like, nah. Look, period. So I decided to finally lay down my wigs. I got tired of y'all talking about me. Okay, I'm also featuring Amore Marie hair. She did my unit. You already know that's my girl. Without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into this video. Okay, guys, so the first thing that I'm going to do is cut the holes. And you want to make sure the hole is like super small and just kind of like force your ear through. Like, that might even be too big. This one's definitely a better one. Now I'm literally using the Got To Be spray. I know you've seen everyone use it. It's the Freeze Blast. It's so good. And I'm going to just spray all of here. And then just blow dry. On my head now, I'm going to start to cut my shape that I want. I have an annoying like hairline. One, I have a widow's peak, and then two, these areas right here just like come out more. I don't know. My edges be doing dumb stuff. But anyways, I'm gonna cut this as best I can to get a general shape. Now that I kind of have a basic general shape, I kind of took out a little bit too much here, but that's okay. I'm gonna spray it one more time. I'm just going to use my Fit Me foundation in my color. Alright, y'all, let's get onto this wig. One, it's already pre-plucked and bleached. Like, I wanted a middle part. She did it for me. This is what the company Amore Marie packaging came in. It's so cute. Came with some lashes because she knows I always buy her lashes. And then inside it was so cute because it has what type of wig it is, and then it has care instructions for it. This. A lot of the hard work is really done for me. It also has an elastic band, and this is a frontal. It's still slightly wet because I just washed it last night, and last night I mean 4 hours ago, because I was up late. Pulling these flaps like straight down. It's really important. So next thing I want to do first is cut around my ear. You want to make the flap as small as possible. Just wrap that around. Boom. I try to do like as little as possible. Okay, now I'm using Got To Be Glued. I'm gonna start on the middle first. The comb. I'm gonna blow dry that. Okay, I'm gonna take this. Lay that down. Okay, I'm just gonna keep repeating that process over and over again. I'm gonna start side, 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 side. Speed that up for y'all because it's pretty redundant. You wanna do this in small sections though, and take your time because there's really just no rush. If you have to rush, just don't do it because it's not gonna look good. I'm taking some alcohol. Now I have some white spots because I put too much in some spots. So we're just gonna clean that up. I'm literally using a Q-tip and just really quickly going over that. And you see it's just disappearing. And you gotta move fast because you don't want it to actually like pull the glue up, you know? This side was like not bad at all. I don't know why I was so heavy-handed on the other side, but. Now, I'm gonna definitely touch it up more later, but for now I'm just going to cut the lace. And you want to do this, you know, as they always say, like not perfect, jag it a bit because you want it to look natural. If I had a clip, hold on. Okay, I'm switching to a towel because I need to get this off more aggressively. Alright, I'm gonna do some baby hairs. Some styling mousse. Okay guys, it is literally the next day. I was really struggling with the baby hairs and I still don't have it exactly the way that I want, but it looks better. So that's good. I don't know, they're just like a little crusty to me in some spots. Other than that, it looks really good to me. It's flat. Like, honey, it is flat. It looks realistic to me. I already straightened it, but obviously since I slept on it, I'm going to need to flat iron it again. Look at this. It's amazing. I had to fix this side because the reason why I wasn't laying flat was because some of the cap was still showing. I didn't have the lace far enough down. Now it looks good. If you don't have a hot comb, this is the easiest way you can make your hair flat. I really want to get all my flyaways and stuff laying down. I literally go like spray some of this on top, and I don't even use a brush. I use my hands. Like zero flyaways, zero, none. Sometimes when I use a brush, they literally like brush them up. And if I want to like make sure they're not coming up for the rest of the day, I just usually use my flat iron. I'm really excited. My first time ever doing it. It was super easy. Just take your time with it. That's all that matters. I love this hair. This is actually like day 3, maybe even 4 of me wearing this hair at this point because I'm doing my intro and my outro separate than when I recorded that because you know what be happening. And I'm still very impressed with the hair. I'm having very minimal shedding. I'm just having no issues with it at all. Like I said, she did all of the hard work for me. Bleached the nuts, plucked the hairline, all of that. So like I did a lot, but I ain't do much. Like my stock done went up, all right? Make sure you stay humble out here because at any point a piece of lace can come up. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. And as always, I will see you all in my next video.